Hello everybody, hola amigos. This is a sea bass what we have here. I'm going to show you some seafood and fish platters I made some recordings while I was working to show you how I make some seafood sharing platters. So from this sea bass I'm going to make ceviche. So I take all the bones, some celery and red onion to make a stock. Then I have a turbot fish here, or in America they call, I think, flounder. I make some cut in here and I'm going to roast it in the oven. So I season with some extra virgin olive oil and a good amount of salt, and let's roast it. Yeah, so for the sea bass I make a ceviche, I make a stock for that to make a leche de tigre. Here I have small white prawns and a huge clam from Malaga, Concha Fina. They are alive, as you see. I'm soaking them to purge in salty water so they spit out all the sand. These are tiger prawns and cigala prawns, or maybe you can call it crayfish. These are just going to be boiled and then cooled down and eat cold. It's just a cold seafood platter. I'm going to boil them in salty water, and then you see the huge clams. And then I have a piece of tuna, yellowtail. There I have the two kind of sea bass meat. So from the sea bass meat I'm going to make fish fingers for the kids with some homemade fries. Crispy fish fingers, they love it.
No, the babies have it.
And then here already I have some plates done. This is the white prawn tartare. This is a green salad to accompany some toast. Fish finger with fries. And down on the bottom, okay, these are the prawns with the cocktail sauce I made with some brandy. The clams with the green sauce. The tuna tartare with fresh ginger. The fresh ginger gives it a touch of so good. I also made some panko fried king prawns, crispy and delicious, from Asian kitchen. And in this menu I'm not focusing on plating or elegance, I'm just focusing on the product. This is the turbot fish roasted. This was the best. Everything was so good, but they loved the fish. And this is how I plated the ceviche. The ceviche was also very, very delicious with the leche de tigre there. And there was also some sweet potato fries on the bottom of the plate. Some chili, but not too spicy. And that's it. My friends and amigos, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.